I'm here with Jack Taylor from Taylor Made Smart Homes at Bluebell Wood Children's Hospice in North Anston, just outside Sheffield. And this is Together for Cinema's 58th cinema room installation. It was also our 7th cinema room installation back in 2012 when Colin Scott from ET Home Cinema very kindly managed the installation here for us. The room has lasted 14 years, delivering fabulous films and fun for the families and children at Bluebell Wood. But Colin changed his job and asked Jack to very kindly take over his clients and the obligation to take care of Bluebell Wood. So Jack and I met, and they had one or two little issues here that needed sorting. It's a long intro, I know, but Jack very kindly has come in and sorted the problems out. Jack, tell me about what happened and what you've done, and I've got to say, it looks fantastic.
Yeah, so the room's been working flawlessly for 12 plus years now, but recently started to have a couple of issues: control system, projector, the screen not dropping, a few small things that just made it not as easy to use as it should be, and for the care staff that's a big problem. So we've come in and replaced a lot of the equipment and got it back working, and they've already said that it makes it a lot easier to use on a day-to-day basis.
We're on a bit of a timescale actually, because apparently there's a family coming in about half an hour who are sort of waiting to watch Frozen, I believe. So we better be quick. But no, I think when you first assessed the room, there were one or two obvious things that needed repairing, and we've got a couple of new replacement products. I won't mention any brands, but thank you to everybody who's chipped in to make this happen, and of course to Jack for doing the work. But it seemed to be quite a sort of straightforward fix, and then you started digging around.
That's it. The more you dig into it, the more you find that needs doing.
Yeah.
And the longer it takes, but it's done right now, so it should last another 12 plus years at least. Yeah.
Well, I know how grateful the staff and the families will be. The staff are, and the families will be here. It makes such a big difference. So thank you for getting it back up to speed. The new twinkly lights on the ceiling look great. They really do, and it just gives it a little bit of a new dimension to the room and for the kids. Great to get it done in time for Christmas. So thank you for squeezing it in. I know you're busy. And thank you again for putting our logo on your van. Yeah. I love that.
I've had a lot of people ask about it and what it means. So a lot of people have taken pictures.
Oh, that's nice.
Spreading the word.
Spreading the word's a good thing. It's a good thing. But no, thank you again. Thank you, industry, for making this happen. Really appreciate it. And thank you to Stuart Burgess from HCA Media for being our videographer on the day. Really grateful to everyone that makes Together for Cinema happen. But today, thank you.
No problem.
Cheers.
Thanks.